Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lectures. Today I brought a new updates regarding PhD admission in IIT Roorkee. They are taking admission for both category full time and part time for autumn semester 24-25. Here you can see there are two campuses of IIT Roorkee. One is in Roorkee, that is main campus, and another campus is in Saharanpur, UP. Here you can see in the content they have given details of opportunity for PhD students, prize, awards, medal, joint degree program with university outside India, continuation of fellowship during research with JIT, PMRF, TCS Research Scholar Program, Visvaraya PhD scheme, also admission of international students. So these all things I am going to cover. First, see, you can check these are the various prize. Excellence in doctoral research award, for that the amount is 2,50,000. You can get this prize for outstanding research work in engineering, management, architecture and humanity and science stream. Maximum 5 awards, each of 50,000 are to be given every year. Second, Professor B.K. Gupta Memorial Impactful Young Researcher Award, 20,000 prize. A.K. Goyal Green Energy 1 lakh and gold medal. Prabha Nayar Award for Excellence in Time Management for amount is 2,50,000. Nayar Award for Excellence in Communication 1,11,000. Like that, there are various awards. If you are doing excellent work in your research, then you can get. There are also opportunity to collaborate with some university outside India, that is University of Alberta, Canada, University of Strasbourg, France, Asian Institute of Technology, Thailand, Institute of Engineering, Tribhuvan University, Nepal, Department of Specific Joint PhD Program with National Tsinghua University, Taiwan. In Taiwan and IIT Roorkee, there are some collaboration like College of Semiconductor Research, College of Engineering, including Department of Material Science and Engineering, Department of Industrial Engineering. In IIT Roorkee, IIT Roorkee has these two departments, like Department of Physics and Electronics and Communication Engineering has collaboration with Taiwan University, this specialization. Continuation of fellowship during research visit. PhD students can continue to avail their fellowship for a maximum period of 6 months during PhD program while on research visit to other universities, institutions, research labs, etc. in addition to other funding support, if any. Means if in a visit, if you are visiting any university outside India and that university are giving you some funding, then that also you will get along with your fellowship. Prime Minister Research Fellowship also have opportunity. TCS Research Scholar Programs for computer engineering and science, information system and technology, software engineering and other discipline while utilize computing. If you are doing your work with computer science, means in computer science areas, then you can get this fellowship. A stipend of 70,000 per month for first and second year and 75,000 per month for third year. Other incentive also you will get like this. You can check. Eligibility condition. Upper age limit 28 year age on admission into fellowship. The scholars who should have first class education under career right from SSC. A scheme is open for scholars who has been found eligible for admission to PhD in institute. A scheme is open only for fresh PhD scholar admission. A scholar must be registered as full-time scholar in the institute or college where PhD registration is sought. This eligibility is for TCS scholarship. Now, there are also another scheme, Visvaraya PhD scheme. This is also for computer science and electronics people. Now important dates, you can apply. Online application already started from 22nd of March and it will be last on 10th of April 2024. Academic registration July 11, 2024 and commencement of classes July 16. For PhD admission, there are two categories: full-time research scholar. In that, there are subcategory like institute assistantship research scholar, where you get your fellowship from Ministry of Education. Externally funded research scholars. In this fellowship, foreign national project funded. These all things come. In service external research scholar, then Sakuntala fellowship, Golden Girl scheme for females. Then part-time research scholar, in service internal research scholar, and in service external research scholar. There are two subcategories in part-time research scholar. In service special external research scholar, 175 fellowship are there in this. Common minimum eligibility criteria for PhD admission: applicant with master degree should satisfy this criteria like general EWS and OBC category minimum 6 CGPA or 60% marks. SC/ST or PWD category must have CGPA 5.5. Along with that, qualified in national level test like GATE, CET, JEST, UGC NET, CSIR NET, including lectureship or equivalent, or holding a national level fellowship. Applicants of all category with 4-year bachelor degree should satisfy. If you are applying PhD after BE Tech, then this criteria must you fulfill, like qualified in national level tests such as GATE, CET, JEST, UGC NET or CSIR NET, including lectureship or equivalent. Your CGPA must be 7 on 10-point scale or 70% marks. Candidate from institution other than CFTI means this 7 CGPA for CFTI means IIT, NIT or central universities. If you are other than central funded technical institution, CGPA must be 7.5. Applicants of all category with bachelor or masters from IIT with CGPA 8 and above on 10-point scale, such candidates are exempted from the requirement of qualifying in national level tests such as GATE, CET, JEST, UGC NET or CSIR NET. Means if you have your degree is already from IITs with CGPA 8, then there is no requirement of national level test. Applicant of all category with MBBS, BAMS, BHMS, BDS degree from Indian universities or institution must have CGPA 6 on 10-point scale. Such candidates are exempted from requirement of qualifying in national level test like GATE, CET, JEST, UGC NET or CSIR NET, including lectureship. Applicant with Master of Surgery or MD, Doctor of Medicine degree from Indian university or institution are exempted from minimum CGPA as well as requirement of qualifying in national level test. Candidate pursuing master program in engineering, architecture, planning or MSc, MDes in IIT Roorkee shall have a choice of lateral entry or switch over to PhD program after completing following: first 3 semester of master program with CGPA 8 or above for candidate of MSc program, first 2 semester of master program with CGPA 8 or above for candidate of other master program. So these are all minimum criteria. Requirement of qualifying in national level test is not applicable to candidate in ICERS or PISIRS or PISERS category. Candidate with medicine degree from overseas university or institute should have qualified for an medical graduate examination or equivalent conducted by National Board of Examination. So these all are minimum criteria you must have fulfilled. There are also one fellowship, Sakuntala fellowship for girls student. Additional information to in-service external research scholar and part-time research scholar, you can check. For this fellowship, other criteria are there. Department-wise, some criteria also given. In Roorkee campus, you can get admission in architecture and planning, biosciences, then civil, chemistry, computer science, design, electronics communication, earthquake engineering, earth science, electrical, immunity and social science, hydrology, then hydro and renewable energy, management studies, then mathematics, mechanical and industrial engineering, metallurgy and material engineering, Department of Physics, water resource development and management, Center for Transportation System, Institute Instrumentation System, Center of Excellence in Disaster Mitigation and Management, Nanotech, Photonics and Quantum Communication Technology, International Center for Excellence for DAMS, Space Science, Sustainable Energy, then Mehta Family School of Data Science and AI. In Saharanpur campus, you can apply for Applied Mathematics and Scientific Computing, Paper Technology, Polymer and Process Engineering. One thing you kept in mind that if your master's in mechanical, then you can apply for some interdisciplinary areas also, like water resources or energy related PhD programs. So keep it in mind. Means maybe there are some more crowd in mechanical PhD, so you can select other interdisciplinary area also. That is also good. Same thing with civil also. If you are applying in civil, then along with that some other interdisciplinary areas also you can select. For chemical also this thing. Like here you can see Department of Polymer and Process Engineering. If you are BTech in Polymer Science and Engineering, Chemical Technology, Oil, Petroleum, Paint, Ceramic, Leather, Paper, Packaging, Material Science. Likewise different areas are there. If you are BTech, MTech in this, then you can apply for some other engineering category, engineering departments also. Application fee for general EWS and OBC category it is 200, and for SC, ST and PD category it is 100. Course fee structure you can check on college website. So that's all about today's update. These all are things required during online filling. You take a screenshot, means your degree, mark sheet, certificate, get mark sheet, or scorecards, category certificate. All things you should be kept during applying, because these all things you have to upload during online application. So that's all. Thank you, and have a nice day, and subscribe the channel if you are visiting my channel first time.